Alright, so let's have a look at the Shure teardown table I found here at the SEMA show. The big thing that I found that makes this unit different from all the other teardown tables is this right here. It is adjustable in height. So if you're tall or kind of short, you can tailor this table directly to what you need, which is great. Got a pull-out drawer. As usual, you have a drain in the middle that comes into a tray. I do like that this table is has got a stainless steel top to it. I'm going to say that the thickness of the top, that's probably 1/8 of an inch or so. So pretty heavy-duty stuff, which I've come to expect from the folks at Shure. So you can pick up this teardown table at our website, redlinestands.com. Be sure to click the subscribe button on our YouTube channel.